Hi friends, our today topic is NCERT solution class 10th pair of the linear equation in two variables. This is the chapter number 3 in your NCERT book of the class 10th. In the previous video we have done already 3.1 and now we are going to start the 3.2. Let's have the first question to you. Form the pair of the linear equations and find the solution graphically. So guys, you have to solve graphically this time, right? And you have to get the value of x and y from the graph, right? So the first thing is that 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz, and they one condition is given: the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Find the number of boys and number of girls in the part taken in the quiz. Okay, so guys, basically we have to prove basically by we have to find the value of x and y by the graphical solution, or graphically we are finding the number of boys and number of girls. So let's start. Let's first of all the boys and girls. So girls and boys के लिए we can take it x and y. So let the number of boys be x and number of girls will be y here. So x and y, two variables we can take like this. Now one condition is there. There are total 10 students that are participating in the mathematics quiz. So x and y, so x plus y, the number of girls and number of boys will the total will become 10. Okay, because the total will be 10 here, boys and girls milke 10. So what is condition? You can write here, according to condition, x plus y, number of girls, number of boys is equals to 10. So the first thing is x plus y equals to 10. This is equation number 1. And the second condition is the girls are 4 more than the boys. So I'm writing here girls 4 more than the boys, right? So how many girls are here? Y girls. How many boys here? X. So y is equals to x, but x plus 4 will do it. Why it is plus 4? Because boys are x and girls are y, and y, or you can say the girls are 4 more than the boys. So we'll add this plus 4 को हम right hand side में करेंगे boys में, because we have to balance this. Both will be equal, boys and girls will be equal, and in this way we are getting the second equation, right? After this we have to represent this graphically first of all, then we'll find the solution, graphical solution. After making the graph or drawing the graph, we'll get the solution when the lines will intersect. Okay, right, have a look at and you know very well how to represent the graph. X plus y is equal to 10. We'll make the 3 solutions for this. At least 2 solutions we require to make the line. So x and y will put here. We can put here x any value. So I'm putting here x equals to 5. Y will be 5 because x plus x, y is 10. X is 4, y is 6, and x is 6. So you can take y is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, right. For the second equation, x plus 4 equals to y, we can put here x, value of x, and y will gradually getting from this way. So x equals to, you can put here anything at place of x. X equals to 3, 7 will be y. X equal to, you can put here 0, so 0 will be disappeared, so 4 will be here y. X equal to, you can put any value, whatever you want to do. 2 मैंने रखा. What is the y? Y is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. You can take any values, guys, whatever you want. You can put here x equals to 1, x equals to 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay, don't think about कि सर ने जो लिया वही मैं करूँगा, ठीक है? So guys, this is my Cartesian plane. X and y axis is ready. Now I will plot this 5, 5, 4, 6 and 6, 4 on this. So 5 on the x-axis, y is again 5. Yeah. So intersecting point between this will be 5, 5. This is my first point. Second point is 4, 6. We know that 4 is x. So where is the 4? Yes, just on the x-axis 4 is here. I am writing here 4, 6. Right. So where is the 6? 6 on the y-axis and 4 on the x-axis. So 4 and 6 intersecting point will get, this is this 4, 6, the second point. One more point we have 6, 4. So x ka 6 and y ka 4. So where is x? X is here on the x-axis. It is 6 and y is 4. So third point I got. These 3 red dotted point are my solutions, and I will join all these through one line. I will draw one line and I will get one straight line for the equation number 1. X plus y is equal to 10. Right. So this is my first equation. Now guys, the same story I will repeat for the second equation also. Second table is also ready. So we'll go for the 3, 7, 0, 4 like this. So very first value is 3 comma 7, and where is the 3? 3 is for x 3 and y is 7. I'll get 1 point here. Yeah, this is 3 comma 7, right? It is intersecting on the x, the first line only. Okay, no problem. The second point, I'll go for the x is 0, y is 4. So where is the x? X is on x-axis 0, we'll leave it. Y will be 4, so we'll get it on y-axis 0 comma 4. This is our second point. Yeah, this is our second point. And the third point is 2 comma 4. The third point is coming here, 2 on x-axis, y-axis plus 6, and we'll straight line drawing after this, joining all after all the points. 2 comma 4, 3 comma 7 and 0 comma 4. So you can see here we are getting one straight line which is intersecting 3 comma 7, the another straight line. So remember guys, whenever you have the two straight lines and they are intersecting, the intersecting point be your solution. Okay, so basically the first value is your x and the second value will be y. So after this, where the point are intersecting, that will be your answer. Right, so you can say when the intersecting lines are here, x comma y equals to 3 comma 7, so intersecting point will be your solution. This is the important thing, okay, and this is called the unique solution. So intersecting point of the both line is the solution, that is 3 comma 7. So hence you can say, right, finally the number of girls are 7 here and number of boys are here 3. So he wanted to ask that what is the number of boys and number of girls. We found it, number of girls and number of boys are 3 and 7. Thank you so much guys. I hope so you understood the question. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.